Sarah's book is on the table.
Sarah's book is on the table.
Sarah hung a picture on the wall.
Sarah hung a picture on the wall.
Sarah placed the remote on the couch.
Sarah placed the remote on the couch.
Sarah checked her reflection in the mirror on the wall.
Sarah checked her reflection in the mirror on the wall.
The answer is on page 5, Sarah.
The answer is on page 5, Sarah.
Sarah goes to school on Monday.
Sarah goes to school on Monday.
Sarah's party is on Saturday.
Sarah's party is on Saturday.
Sarah's favorite store opens on Tuesday.
Sarah's favorite store opens on Tuesday.
Sarah celebrates Christmas on December 25th.
Sarah celebrates Christmas on December 25th.
Sarah's ball is in the box.
Sarah's ball is in the box.
Sarah lives in London.
Sarah lives in London.
Sarah eats dinner in the evening.
Sarah eats dinner in the evening.
Sarah was born in 2000.
Sarah was born in 2000.
Sarah goes on vacation in summer.
Sarah goes on vacation in summer.
Sarah will see you in an hour.
Sarah will see you in an hour.
Sarah will call you in the morning.
Sarah will call you in the morning.
Sarah reads books in the afternoon.
Sarah reads books in the afternoon.
Sarah is interested in music.
Sarah is interested in music.
Sarah arrived at the station.
Sarah arrived at the station.
Sarah works at the office.
Sarah works at the office.
Sarah wakes up at 7 o'clock.
Sarah wakes up at 7 o'clock.
Sarah's meeting is at 3 p.m.
Sarah's meeting is at 3 p.m.
Sarah finishes work at 5 p.m.
Sarah finishes work at 5 p.m.
Sarah's movie starts at 8 o'clock.
Sarah's movie starts at 8 o'clock.
Sarah's class starts at 9.
Sarah's class starts at 9.
Sarah plays games at night.
Sarah plays games at night.
Sarah's cat is under the chair.
Sarah's cat is under the chair.
Sarah put her shoes under the bed.
Sarah put her shoes under the bed.
Sarah's dog is hiding under the blanket.
Sarah's dog is hiding under the blanket.
Sarah is standing by the window.
Sarah is standing by the window.
Sarah will be back by noon.
Sarah will be back by noon.
The book is written by Sarah's favorite author.
The book is written by Sarah's favorite author.
Sarah travels by bus.
Sarah travels by bus.
Sarah is happy with her new phone.
Sarah is happy with her new phone.
Sarah agrees with you.
Sarah agrees with you.
Sarah is angry with her brother.
Sarah is angry with her brother.
Sarah is talking with the teacher.
Sarah is talking with the teacher.
Sarah writes with a pen.
Sarah writes with a pen.
Sarah walked to the store.
Sarah walked to the store.
Sarah is listening to the radio.
Sarah is listening to the radio.
Please give it to me, Sarah.
Please give it to me, Sarah.
Sarah is similar to her father.
Sarah is similar to her father.
Sarah is talking to the teacher.
Sarah is talking to the teacher.
I am thinking of Sarah.
I am thinking of Sarah.
Sarah is from Pakistan.
Sarah is from Pakistan.
Sarah is different from her sister.
Sarah is different from her sister.
Sarah is